Flow make digits, I mind my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Ay, crew in the cut, hey, you want us rep run when I tell a big piece. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy, they living like he happening. Go with they just give them estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt and Chevy make a scene, baby. LA BB been the team, baby. Been Papa work the team, baby. Look.
So I'm finished. Got a hand from the business through the head. Got a bag, got the hands in the business. For my hand is a ticket. Talking monster for the business. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it on the plan with the minutes. That they bitch and they dance. And they open up the digits. And they bitch and they dance. Gotta find out where they get it. No, this isn't what you made. But you have a well a dip. And I'm right on the plane. And I'm
breaking the blink on the brink of some dumb shit.
We are in a Type R with Mr. Joshua.
See, I was supposed to drive this. It's not ready. Not ready for CSCS. So
and
3 tunes. There's a pop tune, there's a comfort tune, and then there's a crackhead tune.
well, which one are we on?
Right now we're in the crackhead tune.
That's what I love, crack. Yo, these cars are too good.
Yo, I want it.
These cars are just too good, man.
Can I hear the pop tune?
Let's get it. There we go. Yo, kids, they're getting louder and louder.
I love this car, man.
It's
Oh my God.
Type R's are so good. You know what? I forgot about the Type R for a little bit, but now we're back here, and I want one again. I want one again. Jesus, man, that second gear starts moving. That fourth gear must be disgusting. That fourth gear must be disgusting. Jesus.
It's so bad.
He did a good job, but it's a nice car. Josh is doing two-step in the parking lot, everybody, because he's so cool.
Josh, just bomb it, man. He doesn't want to do it. He doesn't want to do it.
That is Josh. Bob, I can't say his last name, but I'll spell it out over here. This is his SIN number, his address. Both Adrian and I are like, all right, so we getting a Type R?
So we're going to the dealership.
Check this out, man. The lineup here has been insane, but boosted, track beast, boosted, Jesus Christ. Look, it's okay. Track beast. This is a serious lineup here, boys. We are in a Hyundai, what is it called?
Hyundai Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz. And 2023.
It's
And
a 2.5 turbo. And I think it's around 280 horsepower and I think just over 300 foot-pounds of torque, all-wheel drive.
and this takes out some interesting cars.
TLX, a brand new one. I, from a dig, head to head.
I'm actually super intrigued
to see this. He's been talking about it, so I'm gonna feel it for myself. Let's see.
And we're in sport mode.
Okay. It starts picking up, eh?
Third, watch. This is third.
Dude, this is pretty good. This is pretty good for
I told you, bro. Third, this thing in freight lines.
And this is all stock. Imagine just like a little tune.
Well, that's what I'm saying is you got all these N-line vehicles. It's like someone's gonna touch this.
Is this motor not in anything else?
No, but I would assume it's gotta be out of the one that's got the 2 liter.
Okay.
And then they've probably bored it and stuff like that.
Beefed it up.
Yeah, multi-purpose, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, look at all the tech in this thing too.
Yeah.
This thing is.
It's got mirrors on both, like cameras.
And it looks sleek. You don't really see them.
No,
which
I
is
think
nice.
it's beautiful. I think if you were to like slam one of these and
Yeah.
you know, but like even the tech,
It's
like
also got
here,
heated
watch.
seats and cooling seats.
Jesus, fancy.
Where is it?
Jesus.
Yeah, watch this. You know, Jesus, take the wheel. I did this all the way down east. It's in the lines.
Wow.
No problem. Now, obviously, all new cars had this.
Yeah,
like,
but it's still
man.
for like us guys who don't have new cars. This is actually impressive. This is actually super cool.
This one or
these newer vehicles, sometimes you don't expect them to be fast, but they are. Like I would never expect this to be quick.
No.
Right.
Well, like I said, just on paper on Google, it says it's like 14 seconds in the quarter mile.
It's not
Right?
bad.
And you think about a Type R is 13.5.
Yeah, and this is a truck, so this definitely weighs more than the Type R.
So I think it'd be an interesting race to see against the Type R because I think maybe out of the hole, depending on the driver.
I think you dig it.
Yeah.
Especially if you're like
And then-
by yourself. Believe it or not, when the car's boosted like this, you put the intake with a tune, it makes the biggest difference in it. And if you decided ever to go catless, that's where you're gonna make all your power.
Yeah.
Right, on these cars. You'd probably make an additional like 30, 40 horse, I would say. Dude, yeah, we're already at 100 here.
Third gear, and you can see it just wants to pull.
Dude, this moves nice. It
and
moves
the ride, yo. Like
it's smooth as hell.
I was doing 140, 150 down east.
Yeah, where it's allowed.
Yeah. And the ride is like you feel like you're doing 110.
Yeah.
Like it is crazy, just the ride quality in this thing.
I think these cars have come a long way from where they were.
Hyundai has come crazy long way.
Even like their N-line cars are like really good these days.
Have you been in any of them?
I've not been, but I've seen like in person. Right? Like they move now. Like they're a lot of quality. Well, I'm not gonna say quality because I don't know, but like a lot of tech into it, right? So, but this is super dope, man.
And it's nice to see more competitors to go with Honda. And
Yeah.
Toyota's killing it right now and stuff like that. So
You know, get some better pricing on some things. Well, there it is. That was the Street Legacy meet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to thank every single person who came out and supported. I know a lot of you guys came from far distances. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you to the Street Legacy team for helping out and having an awesome chill meet. It was nothing insanely big. It was a more intimate gathering, I guess you would say, about 30 cars there, and it was just talking, you know, about cars, each other's builds, and having a good time. I'm all about the chill and park style meets. Once again, thank you so much. I love you guys. Peace out. Do it once, do it right.